working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yo. Okay, so this video I'm going to be straightening my curly clip-in hair extensions. These are clip-ins from Sassina Hair. I already did a review on them, so go check out that video. I'll probably link it in the description. Alright. But yeah, so I wanted to wear my hair straight for a little while, so I decided I'm gonna try and straighten the clip-ins too. So I pretty much did to the clip-ins whatever I did to my actual hair. So I already washed them. I just washed them and conditioned them. And I already blowed out my hair. So this is my hair right here, blowed out. So now I'm going to just blow dry the clip-ins. And I'm using this little hanger thing right here to make it easier, you know, so that I can hang them up while I work on them. I don't even remember where I got this from. I don't know. I think it came with some bras or something. I don't know. But you can use one of those like hangers that have the clips that are made for hanging up pants or whatever. Or if you just have like a hair clip, then you can just hang it over like a regular hanger and then clip the hair onto it. I don't know. Just get creative. But yeah, I just needed to use something to hang up the extensions to make it easier to work on them. So the clip-ins are still a little bit damp, and I just spritz it with a little bit of water. I want to make sure that it's like, you know, just a little bit damp, not soaked. I wanted it to dry, and then I'm just going to use this olive oil hair lotion. That's what I use in my hair, so I'm just doing what I do to my hair in the extensions. And then I'm using this Tresemme heat protectant. And then I just use this wide tooth comb to just comb through it after I put the product in it to make sure it's like detangled and everything. Okay, so once I can get the comb through them good, I'm going to blow dry, and basically I'm just going to do the tension method. That's basically how I blow dry my own hair when I blow dry it. So I just pull the hair straight as I can and then just hold the blow dryer over it until it's straightened enough. And then once it's pretty straight, then I just take this brush and then brush through it, and then just kind of, yeah, just brush through it as I blow dry to help get it even more straighter. Okay, so here's the extensions all blow dried out. So now before I straighten, I'm just gonna spray just a little bit more of the heat protectant on it and comb through it again. So just, you know, just to make sure it's still detangled good. So now I'm gonna use the flat iron. I have it around 400. That's basically how I use it on my hair. So as you can see, I just went ahead and just took a piece and flat ironed over it. And then I took the little rat tooth comb and then basically kind of combed through it and then did like the chase method. Because that's basically what I do to my hair, is I just do the chase method. But with this hair, I kind of had to straighten it first. Then I can comb it through, because it's just, this hair is not really like my hair. And it's just a little bit harder to get the comb through. Like, it just seems like it's a little bit harder for the comb to go through it as smoothly. Like, it takes more effort into detangling it. But so yeah, I just straightened over it first real quick and then did the chase method after to get it straighter. So I'm using the same products and the same temperature on this hair that I use on my hair, because I mean, this hair is pretty close in texture to my hair, or at least the same curl pattern. But this hair, it doesn't straighten as easily as my hair. Like, it seems like it takes more effort, so I felt like I had to go over it a few times to get it like as straight as I can. And even then, it still was not like as straight as I got my hair. So I don't know, like, maybe I need like a little bit more product in this hair to get it smoother, or maybe just use smaller pieces when straightening. But I mean, as you can see, it did still get pretty straight. But just saying that my hair takes a little bit less effort to get it straight, and it just straightens a bit straighter. So I went over each piece like a few times to get it straight as possible, but I didn't want to keep going over it too much because I really didn't want to like burn and ruin the hair and stuff. So this is how it looks all straightened, and yeah, I mean, it does straighten pretty nicely though. I think it looks good. I mean, I'm just saying that it's still like a little bit more like thicker than my hair. I went ahead and straightened the other pieces, and I straightened a total of 5 pieces because that's what I've been wearing as curly hair. So the set comes with 7 pieces, but I've been using 5 pieces. So I went ahead and straightened the rest of the pieces that I've been using. So here's all the hair straightened, a nice thick bundle of hair. It looks pretty good. So here is my natural hair straightened before clip-ins. It's kind of long, but you know, I just want the clip-ins for a little bit more fullness since my hair shedded so much. It's a lot thinner, so yeah. And I'm going to trim the ends because they definitely need to be trimmed really bad. So I'm going to do that before I put the clip-ins in. So this is where I decided to put the first track right here. I'm going to use a 3-clip piece. So I'm just doing this like kind of like right around behind my ears. I didn't want to do it too low, so I felt like this was a good spot. So yeah, as you can see, the clip-ins it's a bit yakkier than my hair. Like, it's just still a little slightly frizzy, but that was like as straight as I could get it. So, but you know, we'll make it work. But it's okay. I mean, I like that it still has a bit texture to it, because I feel like it will still blend with my hair pretty easily compared to like when you buy clip-ins that are already naturally straight and they're like too straight. And then, you know, even though they do sell yucky textured clip-ins already, but you know, hey. Okay, and then for the next piece, I'm going to put that up a little bit higher up on my head, like more above my ears, like almost kind of close towards the top of my hair. And this is the 4-clip piece. And I decided that, like, especially since the hair is kind of puffy, I decided that this is basically all I'm going to use, or like all I really need for the clip-ins. So I'm only using 2 pieces, a 3-clip piece and a 4-clip piece. So yeah, this is it. So yeah, I'm just gonna like blend it good, just comb it through. But yeah, as you can see, the clip-ins are definitely a bit more puffier than my hair, but you know, we're gonna make it work. I'm just gonna trim the ends of the clip-ins a little bit too, because they just look a little bit, you know, jagged. Yeah, so I like this. I think it looks pretty good, and I like that I can pull it back into a low ponytail and it feels comfortable and still looks pretty natural. I think it looks like it's my hair. So yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I decided though that I'm gonna do a couple braids or twists in it because I feel like when my hair, like when my natural hair is a little bit puffy when it's straightened, then usually when I just do a couple braids with a little bit of oil in it, then when I take it down, it's, you know, it's a bit smoother and straighter, but with, you know, with some loose waves in it. So that's what I decided I'm gonna do with the extensions, and I think it will look, you know, a little bit better and more blended. So I just ended up doing 2 twists on both sides, and I just left it in for probably about a half hour or so. It wasn't really that long, but yeah, now I just took it down and this is how it looks. And yeah, I think that definitely looks a bit better and even more natural like. So yeah, these are my results. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you subscribe, son, because I am on the road to 10K subscribers. So, you know, help me out and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, click the bell for notifications, and I'll be back with another video. Bye. Peace.